Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Lexus remote key. Start by locating the small notch where the emergency key releases, then slide out the metal key. Use a flathead screwdriver gently at the seam to pry the fob apart. Keep screws and springs in a container to prevent loss. Inspect the battery type and contacts for corrosion before replacing the battery and reassembling the remote. For a smooth opening, insert the screwdriver into the seam and twist slowly to separate the halves without cracking the case. Work your way around the edges rather than forcing one spot to minimize stress. Once open, note how the battery and spring sit so reassembly is straightforward. Replace with a matching battery, clean contacts with a cotton swab, and snap the case back together until it clicks securely into place. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling fresh, especially after hands-on work on your key fob. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After removing the old battery, confirm the replacement matches the original size and voltage for reliable operation. Clean the battery contacts gently with isopropyl alcohol and let them dry completely before inserting the new cell. Reassemble by aligning the halves and pressing firmly until they click, then slide the emergency key back into place. Test lock, unlock, and panic functions from a short distance to verify full functionality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.